to Cheryl's Top Sitavi Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. So today I am going to make Handi Chicken. So I will show you the ingredients. I hope you all will like it. This is my handi. You can see I have put mud over here. You can see this. This is the mud which I have put. And in this today I am going to make the chicken. This one. Lovely. I will show you the ingredients while I am mixing the chicken and the masalas and all. So come on, let us start. Friends, this is 3 pounds chicken, 750 grams chicken I have taken, is washed out. And the same amount of onions also I have taken, 750 grams, because to make the handi chicken you need same quantity of as you take the chicken, so much you have to take the onions also, because it will cook in the onion. So this I am going to mix first. First I am going to put this. I am going to mix it in this bowl. So I am putting the onions first. Then I will put the chicken. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Put some jeera powder. Put some dhania powder. This is black pepper powder. This also I will put some. This is ginger garlic paste. This also I will put in. Salt to taste. I have taken bay leaves. This also I will put in. This is Kashmiri mirch powder. This also I will put for color. Put some garam masala powder. This is chicken masala. This also I will put in. This is the oil which I have hot and kept it. This oil I will put in this some, and I will put in the handi also some oil. So I will put this oil now. Half of this oil I will put. Now I will mix all this. Mix it nicely. Friends, I have mixed up the masala and the chicken and all and the oil. You can see it how nicely is mixed up. Now I will put this in the handi. Friends, I have taken the handi, you can see. Now I will put some oil in this. This I will spread the oil like this type fully. Friends, now I will put this mixture, this chicken mixture, I will put it in the handi now. Friends, I have put in this chicken mixture. I have taken garlic this type. This I will put in. I have taken 4 green chilies slitted. I slitted it this way. This also I will put in. I have taken tomatoes this way. I will put this. I'll set this like this. You can see the tomato. This I will set it like this. Friends, now I'm going to cover this handi now. I've taken atta. Now I'm putting this on this because it has to cook in the steam. Now I've put this on top of this and seal it. Okay. Friends, this handi chatty pot, this is packed up now, is sealed. Now I'm going to put this on the gas on a low flame. Friends, now I'm going to put the handi on this low flame. It will cook in the low flame. Friends, this will cook in the low flame now. So this will be on the fire about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I will take this down. Friends, now I will hold this and shake it a little bit because all sides the chicken has to cook. So this type. It will get mixed up nicely. Friends, now this chicken is ready. Now I will open this. Friends, you can see the chicken and the matki and the handi is cooked up. Friends, how nice the chicken is looking. How nice it's looking, see? And it's cooked up also tender. It's breaking. It's very hot. Very tasty also. I hope you all will like it. How nice it's looking in the handi. You can see it. Thanks for watching my video.